Want to keep your home's water lines fresh and clean without calling a pro every time? Okay, so if you're thinking about hooking up your plumbing like a loop and running a cleaning solution through it, here's the lowdown. First off, most city water has chlorine or chloramine, which helps keep bacteria at bay, but over time, stuff like sediment or scale can still build up in pipes. One easy way is to install a bypass loop with valves so you can flush or circulate a cleaner without shutting everything off. You can use food-safe pipe cleaners or vinegar-based solutions, but be careful to pick something safe for potable water lines. Start by turning off your main water supply, hook up a pump, or use your existing tankless flush setup if you have one, and let the cleaner run through the system. Let it sit for a bit to work its magic, then flush with fresh water until it runs clear. Doing this every few months keeps things smelling good and stops gunk from clogging your pipes. And remember, always check local codes before messing with plumbing so you stay legit. One of the biggest mistakes people make when flushing their home plumbing system is using harsh chemicals that aren't safe for drinking water lines. This can ruin pipes or cause health issues, so always pick non-toxic cleaners. Another common issue is not properly isolating the plumbing system with valves or a loop, which makes flushing ineffective and messy. Installing a dedicated loop with shut-off valves fixes this. Finally, ignoring manufacturer guidelines on equipment like tankless water heaters can cause damage if you run cleaning solutions through them incorrectly. Always follow their instructions or consult a plumber to avoid costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is all about hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making your home projects way less stressful. For contractors, it's a smart way to find customers who need their skills, keeping the work steady and the business growing.